Hey everyone, so I've pulled a card for you all out there today asking the question, what do you need to focus on this week to make more sales in your business? And the Queen of Wands came through. This is all about being the director of your life. You are the one in control here, and your thoughts control what you create and attract, and setting your intentions, all right? You're the queen of your business. So you need to step into this queen energy and really fine tune and focus on what you want to actually create in your business. So set your intentions. What money do you want to make within the next week in your business? You know, how many clients do you want? How many sales on your products? Whatever it is that you're doing, whatever business, get clear on that. You know, set your intention. I want to make $500 within the next 7 days, right? Or whatever it is. So, you know, the swords represent your thoughts. So it's about being the queen of your thoughts. So staying focused on, you know, that you are making sales. So a little affirmation you might want to say is, I make sales every day. I make sales every day. I make sales every day. And just have that on repeat in your head. And let me know how you go as well. And if that resonates with you, this whole reading and that affirmation, I make sales every day. Okay. And get really clear on what you want to create within the next week in your business and make those sales. So yeah, let me know if this resonates with you and if you're going to implement what guidance I've given you today in this reading. Alrighty, I'll catch you all soon. Bye.